Hurricane-force winds and flooding have left death and destruction yet again in northern Europe. Landslides have closed roads in Portugal. Power is cut in England. A British government prediction says winter precipitation will increase by 30% this century because of pollution, making the brutal floods of 2000 here look like a tea party.
This is much worse than what happened in October, November 2000, which I think everybody thought was going to be a once-in-a-lifetime event.
Apparently not. Today's sunshine notwithstanding, flooding will be common as scientists predict wetter winters and drier summers because of the changing weather. Less obvious are the effects on animals. There's real evidence that birds are nesting earlier and butterflies live further north than they used to because of global warming.
Changes like the earliest migration date, the earliest budding of a tree are all moving earlier. All of these changes are consistent with the theory of global climate change.
Some butterflies appear more than 2 months earlier than they did in the 1940s and breed twice a year instead of once. Birds are in danger of losing feeding and breeding grounds as sea levels rise due to melting ice caps. Dr. Camille Parmesan of the University of Texas has authored a new report that shows that 50% of the planet's wildlife is affected by what she terms a tiny bit of warming, a finding that well exceeded her expectations.
Plants are responding, animals are responding, everything from the tropics to the Arctic to the Antarctic.
If the predictions are true and Europeans suffer through decades more of floods like these, global warming will no longer be a scientific debate, but a reality politicians will have to deal with.